My name is Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer and installer. I am here to help you, especially today. I see some of these images on Google or Pinterest or whatever, and I just like cringe. And I want to make sure that you never ever do this. So I'm going to break down 3 basic pictures that are going to just set me off, but I'm going to keep my cool the best I can and help you by saying, don't ever do this. So let's get right into the first picture and we'll see how this goes. Oh, baby. Oh, this is already just, Bob, I need to calm down. Bobby, don't have a cow. There's never any mistakes. They're happy little accidents. Bob, I don't believe that for a second. This is atrocious. Here we go. Tires. Tires in your landscaping. What the heck are you thinking? I got this leftover tire. I got a tire off my truck. Or let's use tires for a retaining wall. You don't spray paint tires and make them into a planter. You don't make retaining walls out of tires. Maybe if you're just having fun at like a playground and it's a school, that's the only time I could see that happening. Tires spray painted with plants and as steps. We're better than this, people. Don't use tires in your landscaping. For the love of God, please. Okay, this one isn't as bad, but I still don't like it at all. White rock. And what I mean is like white, like brilliant white rock. If you're 90 years old, I get it. That's what they did back in the day. They just slammed everything with white rock. But here, 2021, there's a time and a place, I guess, for white rock. If it's like Mexican beach pebbles that are white, and you're going for a really contemporary look, like in a bed, but just throwing white rock, this picture of the pot spilling a white rock, like Dry Creek, does that look real to you? No, it looks horrible. Don't do stuff like this. And the white rock, just with the fake crappy edging, and then the last one, it's not that bad. Okay, so that's like Iowa rainbow rock. It's got multicolored rock. I'm talking like white rock, just up in front of a house. It just screams outdated, I'm about to kick, and that's horrible. I'm sorry, that's really mean, but just don't do this, please. Our final example, I think it's absolutely perfect that the order of these came this way because it's red mulch. Red mulch, kind of like my blood boiling right now, is exactly how this feels. I hate red mulch. I remember when McDonald's used to just throw red mulch all over the place, like that was a good look. I guess it was, hey, you know you're at McDonald's. But for a residential homeowner, high-end design, whatever it is, red mulch, man, I can't even think of a time when it's really a good idea. It just looks so manufactured and fake and crappy. The one in particular that I've got to point out here is not only did they do red mulch, but they spray painted their retaining wall blocks white. It's like, man, we're really trying to look. They're not trying. They're sticking out like a sore thumb and just, my God, what were you thinking? Like, what were you thinking with this one? Don't do red mulch. Please don't do it. I hope you're okay. I hope I did not offend people. I really have your best interests in mind. I just want your landscaping to look good. Please don't judge me too hard. If I hurt your feelings, write it in the comments. I will apologize to you, but darn it, tires, white rock, red mulch, there's not really a place nowadays if you want a good looking yard. So if you like videos like this and you want me to do more reaction style where I lose my mind, please let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to. I don't know how many of these I can do a day, but I will try my best. This is Bobby K saying, a yard without a plan, it's just a wish. See you on the next one.